Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about the classification of triangles by their angles. So last time you remember how we talked about based upon their sides. So isosceles, equilateral, and scalene. So today we're going to be classifying them based upon their angles. So there are three types of triangles classified under their angles. There's something called an obtuse triangle. This is obtuse. There's a right triangle. And there's an acute triangle. So let me just write that so you guys could see it. So obtuse, right, and an acute. Now Salcott will be explaining to you why these triangles are named such.
An obtuse triangle is a triangle in which one angle, one of the three angles, has a measure of over 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle will only have one angle with a measurement of over 90 degrees because if two angles were to have a measurement equal to or over 90 degrees, then that would exceed the 180 degree limit of the triangle or make it so that the last angle would have to be 0, which isn't something that happens. So an obtuse triangle has one angle greater than 90. Alright, so a right triangle is a triangle in which one of the three angles measures 90 degrees, as denoted with a little box for that angle. You'll notice that there can only be one 90-degree angle in a triangle because a triangle consists of 180 degrees total, and having two 90 degrees angles would fill up the entire 180-degree limit, not including the last angle. Okay, so an acute triangle is a triangle, a very acute triangle, in which not a single angle exceeds or is equal to 90 degrees in its measure. That is, every angle is under 90 degrees, also called acute. So x, our angle x's, y, and z will all be less than 90 degrees in measurements.
Okay, so if I draw a triangle like this, and it has a right degree angle in it, which is 90 degrees, that triangle would have to be a right triangle, because it has 90 degrees, and we know that all right triangles have one 90-degree angle, and so that's why it has to be a right triangle.
Alright, so let's say if we have a triangle with angle measures 45 and 55 in another angle. Would you say that this is an acute, a right, or an obtuse triangle? Well, we know that the sum of all of the angle measures in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So we can set this up algebraically. 45 plus 55 is going to be equal to, plus our final angle, x, is going to be equal to 180 degrees. And remember, if x, just like 45 and 55, is an acute angle under 90 degrees, then we have with us an acute triangle. If it's equal to 90 or greater than 90, then we're dealing with either a right triangle or an obtuse triangle. So let's solve for x. 45 plus 55 is going to be 100, plus x is going to be 180. So we can take 100 from both sides, and we'll find that x is equal to 80 degrees. 80 degrees is less than 90 degrees, just like all of the other angles, so this is an acute triangle. So, thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
Peace.